And before I let you go, I also want to show you another cool trick using this same method of creating a pattern, and that would be to actually create a watermark, like a background pattern. So using the background tool, I'm going to go ahead and select my brand color, my purple for the background. Now I also created a white version of this quote symbol here. So if I want to scale it back down, let's see, what did I use? 300 by 300 again. One of the cool features in Canva is that you can actually adjust the transparency. So you can either use this little slider here to do it, or you can just key in a number. I'm going to go ahead and say 7, which, as you'll notice, makes it very subtle. This is going to give us just a nice little watermark, like a background pattern. So once you've done that, I'm going to go ahead and create exactly the same pattern. I'm just going to fly through this here using the exact same steps that I did previously. And there you go. Now, if you'll notice, when I zoomed out, it does appear that there are little gaps in this, but when you change your view, when you zoom in, and I am on a Mac, so I'm just using Command, hold down the Command and press the plus and minus to zoom in and out on here, it actually is just a deceiving little appearance. It doesn't show up that way. So there you go. Now you have an opposite version of the pattern that you can use as a watermark behind any additional graphics, logos, photos, anything that you need. I hope this tutorial has been extremely helpful, and by all means, if you have any questions about anything here, please feel to get in touch. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks.